If you notice that the checklist tile in your location has a turquoise number, this means that the owner of the template has made updates. To see details of the changes, go to the checklist menu, select New and Updated Checklists, and open the relevant checklist. The different types of updates are highlighted by specific colors. While orange marks changes, additions are shown in green and deleted content in red. If something has been deleted by the checklist owner, these changes will also affect your checklist as soon as you click on Save Update. Newly added items that have a lock are also non-negotiable and are automatically applied after saving. Let's take a closer look at the schedule to see the changes in detail. As you previously had the option of adapting the schedule to your needs, the current status and the planned changes are now compared. You can decide whether you want to keep your current schedule or accept the new proposal. If there are task updates within a checklist, you must first confirm the proposed changes before further adjustments can be made. In this example, one of the two new tasks can be deselected. However, the second task has been locked by the owner, so you are obliged to use it. Once you have checked all updates, click on the Save Update button. Please note that changes only affect checklists that are currently in use or will be available in the future. Checklists that have already been completed are not affected by the updates.